Good morning friends, myself Niranjan. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today is 15th March, which is celebrated as World Consumer Rights Day, which is celebrated since 1983. This day was inspired by John F. Kennedy, who sent a special message in United States Congress. He has addressed the issue of consumer rights. Now, let's look at some of the events of current affairs in our today's session of our series Information Booster in form of questionnaires. So let's start. Question number 1. Chief Minister of which state created history by appointing women president for 70% ZILA PARISHAD? Answer. Indian state ODISHA. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik created history by appointing presidents in all the 30 districts, and he appointed women presidents in 70% ZILA Parishads, that is 21 districts out of 30 districts. Question number 2. Which program is recently organized by Indian Space Research Organization for school children to impart basic knowledge on space science? Answer. Yuvika. This is युवा विज्ञानी कार्यक्रम. It also encourages students to pursue science, technology, engineering and mathematics based career. Question number 3. Where did Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi launched 11th KHEL MAHAKUMBH? Answer. Ahmedabad in Sardar Patel Nagar. Question number 4. Who has become the first Indian to score 3 centuries in Women's World Cup history? Answer. Harmanpreet Kaur. Question number 5. Who is translated Hindi novel by Question number 5. Who is translated Hindi novel by Gitanjali Sri is nominated for International Booker Prize? Answer. Tomb of Sand. Question number 6. Which Indian state became the first state to have $1 trillion economy? Answer. Maharashtra. Question number 7. What is the name of the first MEDICITY that is going to be set up in Maharashtra? Answer. Indrayani. Question number 8. Who is appointed as the youngest president of Chile? Answer. Gabriel Boric. Question number 9. Who has launched SAMBHAV and SWABALAMBAN initiative? Answer: Bhanu Pratap Singh. This initiative is related to recycling of plastic. Question number 10. Which book on tribal women achievers of Odisha is recently released by ST and SC Development Department? Answer: Adi Shakti. Question number 11. Which country recently marked 11 years since the massive earthquake known as the Great East Japan earthquake occurred? Question number 11. Which country recently marked 11 years since the massive earthquake and tsunami occurred? Answer: Japan. This is an undersea megathrust earthquake that occurred in Tohoku of Japan, and it is also known as the Great East Japan earthquake. And now today's history. On this day in 1901, wrestling coach Guru Hanuman was born as Vijaypal, who had produced wrestlers like Dara Singh, Guru Satpal, Sushil Kumar and Birendra Singh. On this day in 1934, social reformer Bahujan Nayak was born, who has founded Dalit Shoshit Sangharsh Samiti in 1981 and Bahujan Samaj Party in 1984. On this day in 1977, Army officer Sandeep Unikrishnan died in Operation Black Tornado in 2008 during Mumbai attack, and he received Ashok Chakra for his performance. On this day in 1985, historian and author Radhakrishna Chaudhary died, who had contributed to archaeological studies of Bihar as well as to Maithili literature. On this day in 1877, the first test match was played between Australia and England. On this day in 1914, Sarla Thakral was born, who was among the women to fly an aircraft